Welcome, dear students, to our university. We're excited to have you join us and look forward to helping you succeed. This is a step-by-step guide that was prepared by IAU English Preparatory School. It will help you activate and reach the Cambridge English Placement Test. Please ensure to bring your own headphones or earphones. Remember to bring your student ID card. Once the exam begins, you are not allowed to use any electronic devices, including phones, smartwatches, or Bluetooth earphones. Doing so will result in the cancellation of your exam. Only open the exam browser. Do not open any other browsers or tabs. Keep your student ID card on your desk throughout the duration of the exam. This placement test is mandatory for all IAU English Preparatory School students. Scan the QR code below to access the demo exam. Before you start, ensure you have your student ID. If you haven't already gotten your student card, please inform the proctor at the test center. You will be directed to where to get one. International students must also have their passports on hand. Access metrotests.com Metrica. Enter the provided code exactly as given by your teacher, including the hyphen, L, and using capital letters. Do not enter any login details. Use only the entry code section. Locate the words in red. On this image provided, you will see some words written in red. These words are especially important for filling out your exam form correctly. If you are ready, let's get familiarized with filling out the exam sections and understanding what the exam looks like. After entering the entry code, how to fill in the form. Enter all the fields, including your name, surname, email address, and Turkish phone number. Type 5 of X as your dialing code. You mustn't type 90 as the dialing code. Remember that candidate ID is your student number. Test the sound and your earphones or headphones. If you are satisfied with the sound quality, click the arrow in the bottom right corner to continue. Fill out your details once more before you start the exam. Remember to type your department in Turkish using capital letters. If you don't have a Turkish national ID number, enter your passport number instead. The first part is listening. You can listen to each recording twice. After completing the first part, which is listening, you will move on to the second and final part, which is reading. When your exam is over, raise your hand and inform your proctor that you have finished. If you need help at any point, please raise your hand for assistance. You will see your level at the end of the exam by clicking on Close and then View Results. Important reminder: when you buy books for the prep school, you must keep your receipt until the end of the academic year. Scan the QR code to access your academic calendar. Thank you for watching and good luck with your exams.